Welcome to Learn English Easily. Today, you will practice simple English sentences that you can use in daily life.
How are you?
I'm good. What about you?
Do you speak English?
Yes, little bit.
What's your dream?
I want to be a doctor.
How many members in your family?
5 members.
What do you do?
I'm student.
How are you feeling?
Pretty good.
Where did you go yesterday?
I went to the market yesterday.
Do you like your school?
Yes, I like it a lot.
What do you like about him?
He's very talented.
Are you getting late?
Yes, I am getting late.
Can you help me?
Yes, I can help you.
Do you understand?
No, I don't understand.
Can you wait for a moment?
Yes, I will wait. Will you call me later? Yes, I will call you later.
Does that sound good?
Yes, that sounds good.
Are you sure about it?
No, I'm not sure about it.
Shall we see?
Yes, let's see.
Do you think so? Should I be afraid of mistake?
No, don't be afraid of mistake.
Will mistake help my English?
Yes, every mistake makes your English better.
How often should I practice?
Practice daily to speak confidently.
What is the key to understanding English?
Listening is the key to understanding English.
Will I improve if I keep learning?
Yes, keep learning and your English will improve.
Where did you go yesterday?
I went to the market yesterday.
Why did you go to the market?
I needed to buy some groceries.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling.
Can you speak more slowly?
Sure, no problem.
Can I ask you a question?
Sure, go ahead.
What time does the store open?
It opens at 8 a.m.
Can you show me the ways?
Yes, follow me.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read.
I'm tired.
You should rest.
Can I sit here?
Sure, go ahead.
Do you want to go for a walk?
Yes, let's okay.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Do you understand?
Yes, I do.
Can I help you?
No, I'm okay. Thank you.
How far is it?
It's about 10 minutes away.
How long have you been here?
I've been here just for 2 hours.
What do you think? Practice daily, like, and subscribe for more English Q&A lessons.